Hey, Garmin fans and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated world of the Garmin Fenix 8 and 8 Pro. Leaks are swirling, rumors are flying, and one thing's for sure, the next generation of Fenix smartwatches is on the horizon. Buckle up, because we're about to dissect everything we know so far about these potential game changers for the outdoor adventure and fitness smartwatch market. A legacy of exploration. The Garmin Fenix series has carved a niche for itself as the go-to smartwatch for adventurers and athletes. From scaling mountain peaks to conquering marathons, the Fenix has been a trusted companion, offering robust features, innovative technology, and unparalleled durability. So, what can we expect from the Fenix 8 and 8 Pro? Let's explore the rumored upgrades and improvements. Powerhouse performance, the whispers suggest a significant performance boost for the Fenix 8 series. We might see a new, more powerful processor that elevates responsiveness, smoothens app usage, and enhances overall user experience. Battery life, a perennial concern for smartwatch users, is also rumored to receive a significant upgrade. Imagine venturing deep into the wilderness without the constant battery anxiety. Fenix 8 Pro could be the answer. Enhanced health tracking. Garmin has consistently pushed the boundaries of health tracking with its smartwatches. The Fenix 8 series could take things a step further. Expect advancements in features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and blood oxygen measurement. Additionally, there might be exciting new metrics like stress tracking and advanced recovery analysis tools, empowering users to optimize their training and well-being. Pushing navigation boundaries. For adventurers who rely on their smartwatch for navigation, the Fenix 8 series could be a revelation. Leaks suggest improved GPS accuracy, enhanced topographic maps, and even advanced features like multiband GNSS support for superior signal reception in challenging environments. Imagine conquering new trails with unparalleled confidence, knowing your Fenix 8 Pro will guide you every step of the way. A display built for adventure. The current Fenix models are known for their rugged displays. The Fenix 8 series could take things a step further with a next-generation display that boasts improved sunlight readability, better scratch resistance, and potentially even solar charging capabilities on the Pro model. This would be a game changer for those who spend extended periods outdoors, ensuring their smartwatch remains functional and visible in any condition. Beyond fitness, a smartwatch for all, while the Fenix series is known for its outdoor and fitness focus, the Fenix 8 might cater to a broader audience. Rumors suggest advanced smart features like contactless payments, music storage, and improved app compatibility. This could transform the Fenix 8 into a true all-rounder, perfect for athletes, adventurers, and even everyday users who appreciate a feature-packed smartwatch. The competitive landscape. The Garmin Fenix doesn't exist in a vacuum. It faces stiff competition from other high-end smartwatches like the Apple Watch Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The Fenix 8 series will need to solidify its position by offering unmatched features for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. Areas like advanced navigation tools, robust health tracking metrics specifically tailored for adventure sports, and unparalleled battery life could be the key differentiators. A look at release date and pricing. With all this speculation, the burning questions remain. When will the Fenix 8 series be released and how much will it cost? Based on past release cycles, a late 2024 or early 2025 launch seems likely. Pricing specifics are under wraps, but considering the rumored upgrades, expect the Fenix 8 series to fall within the premium smartwatch price range. Gearing up for the future. The Garmin Fenix 8 and 8 Pro promise to be exciting additions to the smartwatch landscape. With a focus on enhanced performance, advanced health tracking, and improved navigation, these smartwatches could be the perfect companions for adventurers, athletes, and anyone seeking a feature-packed and durable smartwatch. While we eagerly await the official announcement, the leaks and rumors paint a picture of a truly groundbreaking series. So, Garmin fans, get ready to gear up for the future. The Fenix 8 might just be the ultimate tool for your next big adventure. What features are you most excited about in the Fenix 8 series? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartwatch news and reviews.